down today, looking up at the sky, I see its beautiful blue smile. I feel like I'm in a dream, flying high to meet the sun. Though the heat is unbearable, I'm drawn to its radiant light. The sun brings illumination to a world that often seems dark, to a world that often seems dark. Yeah, the world is changing fast. I see humans becoming increasingly selfish and greedy. Technology advances, conquering the world with rapid strides. But I'll stand here observing and see how it all unfolds. In this